all, welcome to my channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods, and today guys we are going to be continuing with the Lamborghini Miura. So we're going to be doing stage 10 of the Lamborghini Miura today, and not a lot to do on it today to be perfectly honest with you, but this build is magnificent. I am so impressed with the quality of the parts and the overall feeling of building this car. It is absolutely unbelievable to be doing, and I'm so glad I chose it. So we've got issue 10 to do today, which is a bit of the air filter box and a few of the little bits and pieces that we're tying up. So let's get started today. So with all that said, let's get modelling. Okay, let's get started. So first of all, we need the left and we need the right cylinder for this build. And basically, I've made sure that I've checked these over. We've got these bits to put on today, and they're basically going to go on only one way, like that. And that is then screwed in with a type A screw. Type A there. And we're just going to screw this in just from this side. These are apparently the carburetors, I think. Remember, we are going into metal. I could have used a bit of 3-in-1 oil there, but that's maybe a bit more. Oh gosh, I got quite a few turns on that. Okay. See if we're going in a little bit more. Right, that's definitely in there. And then we need to do the same for this one. Like I said, they can only go on one way because you've got like a keyhole pattern in there. Oh. I think I need to magnetise my screwdriver. Just going to try and get that as tight as possible, and that's now on there. Okay, so moving that aside, the next thing we need to do is we need to bring over these air filter parts. Now we don't need any we don't need to screw anything down here, but what we're going to do is we're just going to place this onto here. There's no screws involved. Might be better doing it that way. Yes, it is better doing it that way. So just lining up the tabs. I really don't want to go down. Oh no, it's gone down now. There we go. Just like that. And then we're going to turn it over. And we've got some of the sort of bolts to put in. Now it does say to try and do this by hand. So I'm going to try and do that. This is all push fit connections, guys. So okay, that's one on. Let's get the second one on. It's not that easy, because we're talking very small parts. Nope. And with it being a push fit connection, it doesn't always, it can be a little bit tough to sort of line up and put in, but We'll keep going until we get it in. Gosh, how hard is it to put something in a tiny little hole? Might need some tweezers in a second just to try and get this lined up. Right. I thought I had it slightly in then, but I didn't. Just being very careful because I don't want to break anything on this model. No, this middle one really doesn't want to go in. Let's try the tweezers this model came with, just to see if we can get it at least a little bit started. Because I mean, I'm 6'1", so no, I do have very big fingers for some reason. Right, so it's gone in that one. So we're in there. We'll just try this other one in this middle one. So I'm trying to get it on the tip of my fingers to get it lined up. This really doesn't want to go in this middle hole, does it? Jesus. Ah, there we go. Got him. Gosh, that was a little bit fiddly, but that was the only way that was going to go in. There was no way it was going to go in with tweezers. But that is this stage complete. So we've got a start of the air filter. And we've done the left and the right cylinder block. I'll probably try and separate these foam parts to try and protect this one, because it will definitely not fit in the package that it came to. But that is stage 10 complete. Well guys, that's it for stage 10 of the Miura build. I do have quite a few built up for this build, so we're not going to run out anytime soon, thank goodness. Yeah, it's so looking nice. Them little sort of screws for the air filter, they were tricky. They were very, very tricky. And the only way to put them in is by hand. So I'm not looking forward to the second filter box, but it's still a gorgeous build. It really is. So glad I chose this to build this. Anyway, if you like this video, please can you give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell and you'll be notified of any future videos. But, as for always guys, stay safe and bye for now.